Very nice conditions across the GTA. We are seeing some nice weather today, but overnight tonight we're going to get into some activity. We did give you an update on Debbie, but I wanted to show a radar. And as you can see, it's a huge, massive storm, and it's starting to approach the Gulf Coast and the west coast of Florida. So it's been a little quiet on the hurricane front the last few weeks, but things are starting to rev up in the Atlantic Basin, and now we're dealing with this. Here at home, it's been very quiet. We have had barely any active weather whatsoever. I mean, a little bit of showers here and there today for parts of the GTA, but overall it's been a very quiet day. That is going to change. We're keeping an eye overnight and through tomorrow morning. Look at this. It's a pretty large swath of southern Ontario impacted by some isolated storms. We can see west ends of the GTA and through Niagara, probably not getting hit as hard as other areas, but we're going to keep an eye on things through the morning. You may have to push your outdoor activities just a little farther into the afternoon, and by that point things will quiet down. Here's a look at our current temperatures. It's 30 degrees downtown. It's hot. It's a little humid. It's not too stuffy here in the GTA, but these are above seasonal temperatures. And with the humidex, it is feeling a bit more like 35 right now. So just keep that in mind. Even though we're approaching evening, it's going to be very mild. And overnight, these are very mild overnight conditions. 23 degrees through the overnight with some scattered showers. And again, that isolated storm risk. That risk takes us into tomorrow morning. We're also tapping into some fresher air through next week. So while tomorrow is still going to be slightly above seasonal or near seasonal, we can see that cooler air shifting in from the north. It's impacting parts of the Atlantic provinces with well below seasonal conditions. But for us here in the Great Lakes, looks like we'll just hover below seasonal for a couple of days. And that really begins on Tuesday. So tomorrow near 26 for downtown is fairly seasonal. We'll have hotter temperatures away from the lake, those scattered showers and thunderstorms in the early part of the day, and a few showers on Tuesday, highs only near 21, 22 degrees. So again, that below seasonal air, really noticeable on Tuesday. It's a big jump because it's been hot for a couple of days. 23, 24 on Wednesday, lots of sunshine, and then the rest of the week into next weekend, yes, this is trending below seasonal, but it's still comfortable temperatures. One thing to note is with these below seasonal temperatures, we're also letting go of a lot of humidity because winds are mainly going to be out of the east and northeast for a couple of days. This means we'll have just that fresher air mass in general. So if you like it hot and sticky, you may have to wait until after next weekend. And don't worry, we'll have plenty of heat and humidity left for the rest of the month. But for the week next week, it is going to be on the cooler side.